What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd make a quick video just demonstrating how I personally day trade the DAX markets. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'll start from the daily chart. Zoom right out. So you see I've got my key levels plotted out already. We've got this SNR line on a monthly chart here, which is color coded pink. So we've got one here, and then all the key levels that you see in green are support and resistance lines on the weekly chart. So after plotting these key levels, I break it right down to the daily chart. I'm just going to zoom in here. Basically, what I like doing when I'm day trading, I like playing from key level to key level. So we zoom right into that daily chart. I'm going to look for some levels that we can play the markets within. So what have I found here? Daily chart. We've got this key level here. As you can see, there we've got the spinning top occurring on that resistance level. The market is also acting up here at that level there. So we plot that level there. We plot this level here. Minor support, minor resistance. So we already know, yeah, we're looking for a trade within this zone right here. Then I break it down to the 4-hour chart, see what I can spot on there. So on the 4-hour chart here, what can we see? Let me zoom out a little bit. What can we see? It's not really showing much clarity. So we break it down again. Go down to the 1-hour chart. Right, you see a lot more going on here. So look, like I said, we've got daily block here. Let me just type that up. D block, let's call it D block. So we've got daily block here. Just tag that for you guys. We've got another daily block here, right? So look, we see the market run up here. The market's run up here. Big bullish run. What's going on here? So the market's run up here. Big bullish run. Right up into our weekly resistance level. So the market's broken down from there. It's come through this daily block here. It's broken through. It started bouncing off this trend line here. And we saw the clean break through the trend line. Right down to this daily block right here. So I'm going to show you where I was involved in the markets yesterday, guys. Break it down to the 15-minute chart now. This is where I like taking my entries when I'm day trading. 15-minute chart, don't really like going lower than that. 5-minute chart is a bit too choppy for me. So 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart, that's what I'm looking for my entry. So right, unfortunately I didn't get this. I wasn't able to trade this move right here. I wasn't at the screen. But as you know, opportunities are always coming. So nothing to worry about. So we saw this counter trend line broken here. So counter trend line broke. Came down to this daily block down here. 1 second. So we came down to this daily block down here. And then it was followed by some bullish price action over here. So we've got this big bullish candle here, which would have had a lot of buyers sucked in. But as you know, there's a lot of false market moves on these lower time frames, so you got to be careful with that. So we had this bullish move here. So I was just watching price, see what the markets were going to play out, see how they're going to play out, how they're going to act. And I spotted this trend line here. So I plotted my counter trend line there, and I said, right, when we break this trend line, I'm going to sell. I said, I don't want to see it break this level. I said, if we break this level here, that's it. I'm not trading this market. On to the next. But yeah, obviously we didn't break that level. So look, let's have a little recap. So look, we've run up to the resistance level, the weekly resistance level. We've come down, we've broken this, we spiked below this daily block here. We spiked below this D block. Market has formed this I don't know what you want to call it. The market's bouncing off this counter trend line here. We've broken this counter trend line. Like I said, unfortunately I couldn't take this trade, missed this. But look, we broke this counter trend line right there. So I said, look, I'm looking for a retracement. I want to sell it again. I knew we were going to see a retracement off of this daily block here. The market could have broke through, but it didn't. So it's retraced up, it's come back up. Didn't get as far as this D block here. but obviously the market started to retrace here. So like I said, I was watching price action here, just waiting for the trade to come, waiting for the trade to come. We don't want to force trades. We want the market to speak to us. You don't want to guess what's happening. Let the market show you what it wants to do. So I've plotted this counter trend line here. We've broken through. Upon the break, I've hit the sell trigger. Stop loss above this swing high here. Targeting just above this daily block here. And that was it really. And I was out for about 50, 60 pips. And yeah, that was it. But yeah, how else could we have played this market? If this market, if it did break this level, we would have, I don't know, probably waited for a clean breakthrough. Wait for a clean breakthrough. Probably a retest up into this key area here. So the breakthrough. A retest up to this level right here. And then a sell back down there. But you know, the point of this video was just to show you guys how I personally day trade these markets. I basically like to play the market from one key level to another. A lot of people DMing me asking why I was selling in the DAX yesterday when we were in a bullish trend on the daily chart. Guys, I don't swing trade the DAX. It's too volatile for me. And you can catch a lot of pips on the lower time frames as well. So it's all about what works for you, like. That's it.